Screw it.
I love appliances.
I love good washers.
I love great dishwashers. I love refrigerators.
I really love them.
Wow! Wow!
Changes that cook right. I really love them.
Apples and oranges get mixed together? It's your refrigerator. A good quality French door refrigerator lets you divide all your produce by type. It's a very European chicken and a fan. How to tell a good quality freezer from a piece of junk? Seamless bottom. Sit on it. It's a very European. Europeans cook everything. Turns up you're hungry. Turns up you're hungry. Wow, wow, wow. Appliance Direct, cause retail is wacky nunu. Wow.